Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply free shipping method for multiple or different countries in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have product in cart, and then you see shipping flat rate $90. We select country United States. So we are going to set free shipping method for different countries. Now go to WooCommerce setting and we are in shipping method, and then you see shipping zone. So we already have one shipping zone everywhere which include all countries, and then we set flat rate $90. So we are going to create new shipping zone for multiple countries. So click on add zone. So we are going to create new shipping zone, and after creating new shipping zone, so we are going to rearrange order of shipping zone. So this is very important to rearrange order of shipping zone, and then you see zone name, zone region, shipping method. So we are going to add zone name first. So we added zone name free shipping countries, and then you see zone region. So we are going to select countries. Now select. So you can select countries according to requirement. So you can add US, UK, Canada. So we added 3 zone region, US, Canada, UK, and then we are going to add shipping method. So click on add shipping method. So click on it, and then you see pop up. Now select free shipping and then click on continue, and then you see name free shipping method. So you can add name according to requirement, and then you see free shipping required. So we select no requirement and then click on create and save. Now shipping method created, and then click on shipping zone again. So click on it. So we are in shipping zone, and then scroll down, you see everywhere region. So everywhere region include all countries which include United States, Canada, UK. So that's why we are going to rearrange order for zone name like this. So when customer came from or select US, UK, Canada in checkout page, then free shipping apply. So this is our first priority for this customer, and then apply flat rate. Now go to cart page. Now you see flat rate $90. Now refresh the page, and then you see free shipping method apply for America. Now select another country like Pakistan. So our location is Pakistan. So click on it and then click on update again. Now you see flat rate $90. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.